Okay, now that you are signed in to Google Drive File Stream, to access your new Google Drive file stream, go to File Explorer, this PC, and you now have a drive called Google Drive File Stream. If you double click on that, you'll see that you have your drive and any team drives that are available to you. Go into My Drive and you'll see all of the folders and files that you have in your Google Drive. Now these files are not downloaded to your computer. It merely acts as a sort of gateway to your Google Drive. Files that are Google Slides files or Google Docs files, anything like that, will be opened in your web browser as a Google Sheet, Google Docs file. Any document that is a Microsoft file, anything like that, will be opened with Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint, and such. Documents that you add here from other folders on your computer, I'm just going to copy and paste that into our drive. That'll now be synced to my Google Drive. So if I were to open up Google Drive on a Chromebook or in a web browser here, that document there it is, should appear shortly. And any changes I make on a Chromebook or in my web browser will also then be synced to my Google Drive file stream on my desktop.